We are the Research Center for Optics and Photonics, a program of the Centers of FAPESP, and we are located in the Institute of Física of São Carlos, University of São Paulo. Even though we are the center here, with the headquarters, we have a lot of partners. We have partners in the main institutions of the state of São Paulo. We are a partner of Embrapa, which is the institution for taking care of technology for agriculture in Brazil, and we do a lot of applications of optics in agriculture with Embrapa. We are also partner of Unesp, another state university in the São Paulo state, with whom we are developing a lot of new researches in the field of dentistry using optics and spectroscopy. We have a Unicamp as a partner in the support of theoretical problems, including atomic physics and superfluidity with cold atoms. We also are partner of Instituto de Física de São Paulo in the University of São Paulo capital, and there we have also a lot of theoreticians helping us with the measurements we do, including Bose condensate and so on. The medical school in Ribeirão Preto is a very strong partner with whom we are doing a lot of applications of optics and spectroscopy in transplantation, organ transplantations, and many other applications in cancer treatment and so on. Finally, we are partner of Mogi das Cruzes, a private university, with whom we develop a lot of bioengineering, devices, and research. Our activity is divided in three big groups. We're doing research, and this is the most fundamental part. It's through the research that we construct the pillars on which we construct all the other applications. And then innovation is one of our activities. And finally, diffusion of knowledge through which we take science to all the citizens of Brazil, including the region of São Carlos, and help students with their formation on science. In the research part, our activities divide in three big groups too. First, we have atomic physics, mainly with cold atoms. Using cold atoms and light, we're doing many researches, including optical lattices, including Bose-Einstein condensate, quantum turbulence in superfluids, metrology, time and frequency metrology with the atomic clocks, and many others. With our research, we've been able to advance the frontier of knowledge in cold atoms in many, many aspects. The second big research is biophotonics. Using light and techniques in general, we are advancing the field of application of optics in life science. So with different techniques, our focus has been treatment and diagnosis of diseases, including in agriculture, right? A lot of research in agriculture is being carried on in companion with Embrapa. Finally, we have plasmonics as a new field where we combine nanofabrications of metallic structure with light and their manipulations and their applications. In fact, in plasmonics, we are now in the route to develop new sensors, biosensors, that will help the other fields of research involved in the center. In innovation, we have a fantastic activity in combination with companies, in combination with new possibilities of application of optics that will go to industry. We have about 10 companies that have a partnership with us, with whom we develop new products, we develop new applications of optics in all fields, in special with the field of healthcare. But also for industrial applications, we have many different fields that we do innovation. Innovation for us is very important because it's an escape for our knowledge to reach the society in a very objective way. And the partnership with companies bring a very nice amount of resources, money for complement the investment of FAPESP in our center. Finally, in diffusion, we have many activities, itinerant exhibitions, a planetary that goes to schools, a TV that's on the air 24 hours a day, broadcasting lectures, broadcasting interviews, broadcasting science in general. With RTV, we are reaching different sets of society, from students from the fundamental level to the middle level, high school level, to the university level, and to the general public. Different programs, different activities try to give the value of science, try to introduce in the Brazilian community the culture of science. Together with other researchers, we develop a new set of kits, experimentation, because we believe that we cannot have only spectators of science. We need to provide ways for them to learn science doing experiments. And then we develop a whole set with companies, local companies that now are commercializing, and we hope that this will be implemented in many, many schools. We already implement 6,000 of those kits in public schools, and now we are in a program to national implement the experimentation of science with those science kits. You see, we do science with a lot of responsibility. We are worried about transforming, advancing the knowledge first. This is the main driving force, but also using that knowledge to advance technology, and also use that knowledge to make sure everybody appreciates the science that's being done in your center. We believe that science is a good thing for all the citizens. It's not only for scientists.